Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You must act quickly and calmly. Put the car in park, set the parking brake, and switch on hazards so approaching drivers see you. Grab your reflective vest, flashlight, and the triangle kit from the trunk. Move only when it's safe, open doors cautiously, and exit on the curbside if traffic allows. Once you're clear, place the kit near the road edge so you can start deploying the first triangle immediately to warn other drivers. You'll set triangles to build a visible warning zone. On local roads, place the first triangle about 10 meters or 30 feet behind your vehicle. On highways, extend that to roughly 30 meters or 100 feet. Once done, put the second further back to give approaching drivers more reaction time. If you're near a curve or crest of a hill, deploy the third triangle in front of the vehicle to signal upstream traffic. Make sure each triangle faces oncoming traffic and stands upright. After triangles are set, move away from the lane and wait a safe distance while you call for assistance if required. When help arrives or the scene is clear, retrieve triangles facing traffic to avoid turning toward vehicles. If strong wind or passing trucks knock them over, weight the bases with a bag or stones or reposition slightly further from the road. This prevents false negatives. If visibility remains poor, supplement with
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.